Think private jets cost $50 million? Think again. Here are the 5 cheapest ways to fly private in 2025. Number 5. The Cirrus Vision Jet. This single-engine beauty starts at just $2 million. Yeah, that's the cheap one. Number 4. The Embraer Phenom 100, starting at $4.5 million. Number 3. The Cessna Citation CJ3+. $8 million gets you in the game. Number 2. The Bombardier Learjet 75, about $13 million. Number 1. The Gulfstream G280, $25 million. So yeah, cheap is relative when it comes to private aviation. Follow for more luxury breakdowns.